What's up, y'all? This is Ace Boogie coming to you live and direct. Just want to go over a recent trade of mine, DCGD. It's an OTC stock that's been spiking rather nicely over the past month or so. And right now, there's a daily chart up showing the recent run up. And I got a bunch of stuff on this chart. It's kind of messy. I was looking at different levels, looking at some different stuff for some things I got coming out. But I got my actual buys over here on these last 2 days. I bought it on Friday, um, just after 2 p.m. Let's see if I get a better chart for you. I did the 5 minute candles. Yeah, so I bought it after this big, up push and pull back 2 p.m. on Friday. Um, it ran actually pretty nicely into the close, so I sold probably about 2/3 of my position um, around around 2:50 right before the 3 o'clock hour, and I held the rest overnight. Uh, yeah, I was just looking at this stupid stuff pop up. But yeah, this morning it actually had some funky price action. When it closed yesterday, it closed kind of weak off its highs, but nonetheless, it was still green on the day, and it was still holding this 57 area breakout from earlier. So let me show you what I'm talking about when I say earlier. Let me do this. Go back to the daily. So yeah, this is this 57 area when it had spiked up on some high volume. And then it just couldn't hold the spike the next day. Had to come back and consolidate some more. But this 57, 50, 58 area is where I was buying over that high. So I actually got a pretty decent entry over that. Yeah, so today I saw it dip down. I actually tried to fill some more shares down in this really in this 57 area. When I saw it pushed up and held this 57 area. I tried to buy some on here, over right here, but didn't get filled, and I didn't want to chase too much because I wasn't sure how much it was going to spike yet. Um, Actually had trouble getting past 66.99. It kind of got stopped out there a few times. Um, and that's where I actually had my first sell today. Took off about 200 shares out of my. I had 2,000 remaining, 6,000 overall long, but 2,000 remaining into today. So I took off about 200 here. I'm sorry, no, I didn't. I took off 500 here, and I wish I would have waited like another minute or so. I could have got most of my sales up in this area where I wanted it. I was actually aiming for 75 cents, but I took off 500 more into this strength. And once it popped 75, I went ahead and just took off the rest. Didn't know how high I was gonna go, but um, decent, decent play here. Predictable move on OTC with volume. A lot of people say, "Oh, it's illiquid, blah blah blah." Well, it's only illiquid during the midday hours, which you shouldn't really be trading it then anyway. But if you go in, three, four, $5,000 position, you can easily make, 15, 20% on that. You don't have to go in with huge size, and that's the key to taking these small wins. So once again, on the daily chart, just want to show you the big picture. It's running up, decent run up. kind of pulled back and consolidated, broke out over this level. I bought over the breakout, sold some to stay patient to the close. It gapped up, or actually gapped down, but it bounced pretty nicely off of that, and I sold some more on the strength on the run up. So nice win, DCGD. And just to show you, I had 6,000 shares, average price of 68.33, and sold average of 68.643. So, and the commissions and whatnot. But yeah, never mind this. I was actually going through some stuff that I'm gonna fill y'all in on later. But overall markets SPY down freaking 4%. Qs are down 5%. Yeah, this was, I think it was up like 33, 34% at one point of the day. So 3 out of 4 stocks follow the market. Just these OTCs are usually the fourth stop. So something that I truly look forward to are these OTC breakouts because they're so predictable. All right, you have any questions? Hit me up on Twitter, AceBoogie2488. See you on the chat room.